All right, Giants. Now that our courses, our official courses, have synced over from Skyward into Schoology, you can begin to link your sections so that instead of posting material or resources or updates multiple times, you have the option to do it just the once. In order to do that, you're going to go to Courses, My Courses, and you'll see that for pre-AP, and I'm using Miss Moss's classes as an example here, she has 2 sections of pre-AP rhetoric and composition. So I'm going to come over here to this drop-down menu, and I'm going to say Link Existing Section, and I'm going to mark all of them. Click Next. You want to click a standard CSV. All this does is ensure that any information that exists in gradebooks is not lost or altered through the linking process. So this is just an additional safeguard. And then download and next. And link sections. And you're good. So now, when I go to courses and I click pre-AP, I have both sections listed here. First section, second section. Okay. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out. Also note that whenever you're linking sections, there is an occasional error that you'll find when a student is in multiple courses. If you get an error message, please reach out to either me, Erin Sadler, or to your DOI, and we'll help troubleshoot with you. Have a great day.